Hey everyone, it's Jack here from Untitled Chapter, and today I am unboxing the brand new second generation AirPods. So these are released today, March 26th, and this is the one that comes with the wireless charging case. So you have two options with these new AirPods. You can either buy them for $159 here in the UK with the second gen AirPods in the same case as before, or you pay $199, which are these ones, and you get the wireless charging case, which works with Qi chargers and AirPower whenever that turns up. Or if you've only just bought first gen AirPods or you're still happy with them, you can buy the charging case alone for £79. Personally, I went for these because I've had my old AirPods since day one in 2016, and the batteries are really showing their age. So while this is a pretty minor upgrade, I'm happy with it because I was tempted to buy another pair of first gen ones anyway, so it's good timing. So let's get these ones open. The box is pretty much the same as before, except now we have AirPods with wireless charging case up the top, and on the back we have a picture of them. You can see our relocated LED light there, Apple's corporate address, and AirPods with wireless charging case. So let's get them open. So unfortunately Apple still haven't put a nice little handy little pull tab on here like they have with all their recent releases, but a knife cuts through that plastic easily, then you can just pull it off with your hands. So if we lift the box up, I expect to see our AirPods. Come on. Oh no, we've got a design by Apple in California, of course. So we lift that out and there they are. We'll get to those in just a moment. So what do we have in here? We have boring warranty stuff, safety info, and a booklet. So it tells us that these AirPods work with iPhone, obviously. It tells you how to connect them, and it tells you that it works with your other devices once you pair them with iPhone. It tells you a little bit how to use them. Yeah, standard stuff. Now, the general operation of these AirPods are exactly the same as the original ones, which, as I say, coming up 3 years old now, or 2.5. So if you've used the existing ones, you know what to expect. And in the bottom, we still have a lightning cable to charge them. But I'm just going to pop that back in there because I have plenty of those lying around. Alright, so let's get this little bit of plastic off them. And we do actually have Apple's address on there, which is always very cool. They've started doing that now, putting it on the paper, on the plastic packaging, plastic wrap. So let's get this off. I want to be really careful here. I don't want to scratch that brand new white case with my nails or anything. Still got our pairing button on the back, lightning port on the bottom, but now we've got a LED on the front of the case. So if we open them up, they wake up, and I bet it's about to come up on my phone. Not yet. But these are pretty much identical, or they are identical to the old ones. But now we have wireless charging, light at the front to sort of show you that. Which is quite cool, having your charge level visible on the front there. Guessing that will go off? I have no clue. Yeah, it goes off after a while. But when you open the lid, it tells you it's a flashing white light means they're in powering mode. And that orange light it had when I put them back in the case was telling me that they weren't fully charged. So these AirPods have the new H1 chip in them. So they have an hour extra talk time over the original gen. They have fastest pairing between devices and switching. So if you're using your iPad and then move over to your iPhone, they're going to move over quicker. A lower gaming latency, so you should get better sound when playing games. Obviously, the wireless charging case is the big one. So when you set it down on a Qi charger or AirPower, as I say, whenever that turns up, it does wirelessly charge now. So you don't have to plug the lightning cable in anymore if you don't want to, but it is still there if you need it, which you probably will a lot of the time. And the other cool feature of these new AirPods, as we expected for ages, is if you say "Hey Siri" into them, they will activate Siri hands-free. So these are the new AirPods. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more of my work, you can visit my website, which is blueinkcode.com, or you can subscribe to this channel. Or if you want to hear more of my thoughts, I do a fortnightly Apple podcast with a close friend of mine, Lex McCohen, and that is called The Blue Ink Show, which you can find on my website, or you can find it on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Overcast, you name it. Links to all that are on the website as well, so check that out. And thanks very much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Peace.